In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export an Airtable base, a process that can be streamlined with just a few straightforward steps. If you've been using Airtable to manage your projects, collaborations, or data collections, you'll know its interface is user-friendly and robust. Exporting your data ensures that you have backups and can use this information outside the platform for further analysis or sharing. So, let's get started on this process and make it as simple as possible. First, you want to head over to the Airtable website. Simply open your preferred browser and navigate to airtable.com. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in. You can do this by finding the Sign In button on the upper right corner of the web page. Click on that and enter your login credentials, which will grant you access to your Airtable workspace. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Airtable homepage. This is your control center for all things Airtable, where you can access all your projects, or as they call them, bases. Look for the specific base you want to export and click to open it. Once you are inside your chosen base, the next step is to activate the extensions you might need. Extensions in Airtable are akin to plugins or add-ons, giving you extra functionality for more advanced operations. On the upper right hand side of the interface, you'll see a menu item titled Extensions. Go ahead and click on it. With the extensions panel open, the next step is to add an extension that facilitates data export. Click on the option that says Add an Extension. You'll see a search bar. Type Backup into this field. This search will bring up a list of backup and export related extensions that are available to you. After that, click on All Extensions. This gives you a broader view of the offerings available, allowing you to select the best one for your export needs. Scroll through the list and find an extension that highlights backup and exporting functionalities. Click on the extension that seems to suit your needs the best. Now, with your extension selected, the final step is to add it to your base. Click on Add Extension. This will integrate the tool directly into your Airtable base, ready to use for exporting your data. And there you have it, you've now added a powerful extension to Airtable, which will help you export your data for backup or further use. Remember, having a backup of your work ensures that your efforts are secure against any unexpected data loss. Happy exporting, and thank you for watching.